Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be cooking for you stew peas, so stay tuned. I'll be back. Guys, I've put my pigtail to soak, so when next you see me, I will be doing the next level of preparation, so stick around. I'll be back shortly. So I'm gonna let it soak for at least an hour and a half, and then I'll be back. Okay, see you then. This is my pigtail now that was left to soak. Now I'm going to try to boil off some more of that excess salt. You know that pigtail is very salt, so I'm gonna try to boil it twice to get rid of the excess salt. Soon be back. My pigtail is now ready. So the next step, I'm going to be adding a peas. This is the peas I have at home, so this is what I'm going to use. Some people might use different other types of peas, but this is the one that I have, and this is the one that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to wash this. It's about a cup and a half. Wash it and then pour it into my pigtail. Guys, I've added the peas and some garlic, and I'm going to allow this to pressure for say 10 minutes before I check it. So I'll be back. For 10 minutes of pressuring, this is what my pigtail looks like. I'm gonna try and test it now to see how tender it is, both the pigtail and the peas. So I'll be back. Guys, I'm back. Check the peas and the pigtail, and it needs a few more minutes in order to cook, so I'm gonna allow it to cook for at least another 10 to 15 minutes before adding the other stuff. So I'll be back. So guys, I'm gonna allow the pigtail again and the peas to pressure some more because they're not tender enough before I add the milk and the other ingredients. So I'll be back. Pigtail and peas is now ready. I'm gonna add the coconut milk. This is what I have. This coconut milk, I'm gonna be dissolving it properly and then pour it into the pigtail and the peas to go ahead and cook some more before I return to season. I've added the milk to the pigtail and the peas, so I'm gonna leave it to boil for another 5 to 10 minutes. Then I add the other seasoning as necessary. So we're back. It's now ready to go in the pot. I have thyme, I have peppers, some sweet pepper, some escalon, a few more pegs of garlic, and pimento. So I'm gonna be adding this to the pot now. As I've added my seasoning, I'm just gonna let it boil a little. Then I'm gonna add the spinners. So I'll be back. I've added my spinners, so I'm gonna allow the stew peas now to cook. So dinner will be served shortly. See you then. Stew peas is coming along. Please note that I use all natural seasoning, and I did not add any more salt because the pigtail was already salt. So there's no need for additional salt. So dinner will be served soon. So look at this. This is almost ready, guys. Yes. Add anything else to it for it to have this color. The peas alone, and the pigtail with the seasoning and the spinners. Look at it. Hi guys, here's my finished product. Stew peas with rice and some vegetable. Thank you for watching. Remember to like this video, share it to their friend, and subscribe. See you next time in the next video. Bye.